Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple fried rice at home. First, ensure you have day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Next, prepare all your ingredients. This means chopping your chosen vegetables, like carrots and peas, and any protein, such as chicken or shrimp, into small, manageable pieces. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. First, cook your protein, such as diced chicken or shrimp, until it's fully cooked through and lightly browned. Remove it from the pan. Then, add your harder vegetables like carrots, cooking for about 2 minutes before adding softer ones like peas until they are tender crisp. With your protein and vegetables cooked, push them to one side of the pan. Add another tablespoon of oil to the empty space. Now, introduce your cold, day-old rice. Break up any clumps with your spatula, spreading it evenly across the hot surface. Finally, pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which typically includes soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil, tossing everything together to coat each grain of rice. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all the ingredients are thoroughly heated through and the flavors have melded beautifully. This quick, high-heat cooking helps develop that signature fried rice aroma. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. A sprinkle of fresh green onions or cilantro adds a lovely finish. Serve your delicious homemade fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.